Okie dokie. I thought I'd just videotape this one more time for you. I know you haven't seen this in a while. This is your entryway right here from the foyer. This is the living room. I'm going to take a walk in through the dining room. There's that big beautiful hutch. I switched the dining room table the other day, I told you. This is Uncle Johnny's little bar. This is the kitchen. I forgot to turn the lights on in here. Ta-da! There's your kitchen. Ceiling fan. The oven, or stove, oven, microwave. This is the view out the kitchen. I've shown you that only 100 times. And then this is the family room. I just kind of gave you a little video on that, the layout for that. There's the living room again. This is how you get into your master bedroom. Master bedroom also has that awesome view out here to the plants in the garden and the courtyard. The master changing area. A couple steps down into the master bath. I didn't turn this light on either. There's cabinets up there. I don't know if you ever knew that. Okay, and then walking back through, up those couple stairs, the master bedroom. Is Uncle John's office off of the entryway. There's Uncle John's office. The windows open to outside. And there were a few people way out there by the pool. So this is the office, the glass window. Archway back into the living room. And now down the hallway into the first bedroom, which is very spacious, very bright. Looks out over into the entrance into the pool. And this one looks down the street. I can see somebody walking a dog way down there. I don't know if you could see that in here. This is the last bedroom. Mirrored wardrobe doors. This is where the garage is off of this side. There's the van. And here's your palm trees. 1, 2, and 3. So 3 palm trees. And you sit right on the corner of Via Norte and Via La Paloma. There I am. Hello. Here's the guest bathroom down here. With the real pretty floor, real pretty doors, nice ceiling up here. The bathroom. And back out. This is a coat closet here. I'll show you down towards the laundry area. Here we are, walking through the house. Bedroom. Kitchen. Family room. And this is the laundry room. And there's a light right here. Washer and dryer right there. A little freezer, I guess, over there. Not a very big room. And this is the boys' bathroom. The potty and the sink and the skylight. And turning all the way around, this is the garage. Big windows looking outside. Stairs coming up. And of course, I'll show you your beautiful backyard one quick time. And we'll wrap up this video. Oop. I already locked it. That out. Unlatch that up there. Okay. This is your back patio. Nice bright sunny day. Fire pit. A barbecue. Courtyard. And yes, you could hear the air conditioner going. Here's the garden window. Look out at all these beautiful bushes. The hummers were right here feasting on these flowers. There's the lemon tree. Here's all the grapes. Out this gate right here. There's more grapes trying to come around the corner. It is the fig tree. Actually, yeah, fig tree. Here's the front of the house. I hear some voices of people over by the pool. Here's the palms. And the front of this. Take you up the stairs. There's where Uncle Johnny's office is. And this is where he's going to put his little table and chairs. There's your living room. Can't see much. Here's the view from your deck. Some driving by. Here's your front door. Oh, I guess I'm locked out. Oh well, welcome home. I didn't think I was locked out. Guess I was. Oh well, welcome home.